Hello, my name is Carolina Andahar, and today we will be discussing how to properly install, remove, and maintain your SPC-EX static port cover. Understanding how to safely use and maintain your SPC-EX-103 ensures proper protection and will extend the life of your equipment. The SPC-EX-103's universal low-profile design will fit most aircraft and is available in 6-inch and 12-inch lengths. The carbon fiber body flexes to follow the contour of the aircraft and is pre-fitted with positive attachments for the Sesame safety lanyard system. Prior to installing the SPC-EX-103, make sure to inspect the product. Ensure the lever suction cups and the silicone gasket are clean and free of any imperfections. Ensure the surface of the aircraft is free of debris. Carefully place the SPC-EX-103 cover over the static port, making sure the lever suction cups are not overlapping a paint line or other orifice. The SPC-EX-103 cover is designed to be installed vertically, but can work in a horizontal position if needed. Hold firm pressure on the SPC-EX-103 cover and simultaneously grasp the lever on either cup. Press the lever to securely fasten the lever cup to the aircraft's skin. Repeat this process with the opposite lever cup. To remove the SPC-EX-103 cover, hold firm pressure on the body and simultaneously grasp the lever on either cup. Fold the lever forward. Repeat this process with the opposite lever cup. Gently remove the SPC-EX-103 cover from the aircraft. Clean any dirt or debris off your Executive Series GSE products with warm water and mild soap. Store your Executive Series GSE products in the optional avionics bag or in a dry and safe location. Sesame Technologies Incorporated is a proven leader in the field of ground support equipment, and we thank you for making us part of your maintenance program. Thank you for choosing Sesame Technologies Incorporated Executive Series GSE for your aircraft protection needs.